Hi, my name is Bob Linde. I'm an acupuncturist and herbalist in St. Petersburg, Florida. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to use olive oil and lemon juice in order to treat kidney stones. So what we need to do is gather together a bowl to mix our ingredients in, a couple of lemons so that we can get up to 2 ounces of lemon juice, and enough olive oil, ideally some extra virgin cold pressed olive oil, so we can get 2 ounces of the olive oil to mix in with it. One of the things that when we do use this technique, it's important to understand that traditionally this combination is actually used for gallbladder stones as opposed to kidney stones. In general, everything that I've read and experienced, this is not an effective treatment for kidney stones. In either type of stones, whether it's kidney stones or gallbladder stones, I always recommend that you work with a trained professional who will most likely recommend other options as far as how you go ahead and aggressively attack those stones. The biggest risk factor with this is if you have a large stone, whether it be a bladder or a gallbladder, is that it gets lodged and you end up with a backup of urine, or that you block the biliary duct in the gallbladder, in which case you'll lose your gallbladder, or if you block the stone blocks the urinary passageway, you'll actually probably have to go to the hospital and get surgery. So this is not something to do until you've actually had a doctor ascertain how big your kidney stones are to see whether you can safely pass them. In a perfect world, we avoid getting kidney stones altogether by eating fresh fruits and vegetables, lean meats, and drinking plenty of fresh, clean water. But let's go ahead and look at how this technique is done, since you can commonly find information about this in a number of alternative health books, as well in certain locations in the book. The first thing we want to do is to go ahead and cut our lemons and squeeze out 2 ounces of lemon juice. Put those into a bowl, and then we can measure out our 2 ounces of olive oil and place those into the bowl. We mix those together. We can store those in the fridge once we add some water to that, and we can drink up to 12 ounces a day throughout the day. It is very, very likely that this will also provide you with diarrhea. So you might want to consume this when you're close to a bathroom so that you don't have any accidents. Should you lose the ability to pass urine, you get some abdominal bloating or any pain in your abdomen, make sure that you contact a physician immediately. Should you get pain in your kidneys from this, acquire a fever, or feel a great deal of nausea, again, you should contact a medical professional immediately. So if you're going to use this, make sure you do it in consultation with a medical professional, do it carefully, and stay close to a bathroom. This is Bob Linde in St. Petersburg with a lemon and olive oil treatment for kidney stones.